In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure lengths in Stack, an essential tool for those who work with digital plans and need precise measurements for their projects. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your Stack account, as that's where all the magic happens. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to the Stack login page. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that first. It's pretty straightforward and crucial before we proceed with any of the next steps. Once there, you're going to log in using your preferred method. I recommend opting for the Login with Google option as it's usually quicker and saves you from having to remember yet another password. After you've successfully logged in, locate your desired project from the project dashboard. Go ahead and click on it to open. This will bring you to the project's main page where you're going to do the bulk of the work. Next, look for the Plans and Takeoffs section. Clicking on it will provide you with options specific to your project's plans and takeoff documents. It's important that your plans are ready and in view here, setting the foundation for accurate measurements. Now click on Takeoffs. This is a crucial point as it ensures you have the correct plan available to work from. If everything looks good, proceed by selecting New Takeoff. This is where you begin creating a specific measurement task within your project. When the Takeoff panel opens, you'll want to select the Linear option. This is particularly useful for measuring straight lines, which is what we'll be focusing on today. It simplifies the process and makes sure your measurements are spot on. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your takeoff. It's best to choose a name that reflects the task or the element you're measuring for easy identification later. Once you've named your takeoff, click on Create Takeoff to lock it in. You should see your new takeoff ready under your project. Now click on Start Measuring. This action activates the measuring tool that you will use to take specific measurements on your plan. Identify the starting point on the layout for the element you want to measure and click on it. Then trace the line to the endpoint of the section you're measuring. By clicking on that endpoint, the system will automatically calculate the measurement for you, using the project's scale settings to ensure accuracy. A handy tip: if you need to draw a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line, simply hold down the Shift key while tracing your line. This will help maintain precision and straightness in your measurements. And there you have it, you've successfully measured a length in Stack. Keep practicing and you'll find this process becomes second nature in no time. Thank you for watching and happy measuring!